Good morning. We are headed to yoga and then we are going to go to Trader Joe's. I have some things to pick up there before the weekend and all sorts of stuff. I can try to give you a hint and a peek of how the bathroom project's going along, and then you'll get to find out which tile we ended up choosing and why. So yeah, jump in, throw on your yoga gear, come with me. The bad news is I looked outside and it's snowing. I'm kind of done with that. I love snow, but oh my gosh, it's always a never-ending winter in this area. I'm sure other people have it worse in other places, but it just seems like this is the time everyone's ready for spring. And I've been purchasing some really cute sandals and like, I don't know, I've got some cute new shoes I'm excited to wear for spring, and I don't know, my mind is on spring, as everyone's is, and now it's snowing. So yeah, buckle up, let's go. Okay, just finished yoga. Kind of stopped snowing, which is good. I mean, a few flakes are still falling, but no big deal. And we are headed to Trader Joe's. Gotta pick up some stuff for the weekend. This is my favorite bookstore. Love this place. I believe the St. Patrick's Day parade is happening tomorrow, strangely enough, a week before St. Patrick's Day. But that's what I understand. So, something we might go to, we might not. Here's a quick Trader Joe's haul because I'm back and it was crowded there today, early. Usually it's not quite that crowded, but anyway, let's see what I got. 2 fat-free milks, 4 cards, they're 99 cents each, and they always have such pretty cards, so I like having kind of, you know, just some around in case I need one. Some bananas, some almond windmill cookies, some gluten-free cinnamon raisin bread, it's good stuff, toasted. I got some gluten-free plain bagels. These are the best plain gluten-free bagels I've ever tried so far. More broccoli, haricot vert, 2 things of the baby broccoli or broccolini. I love these shrimp spring rolls with the peanut sauce. Package of asparagus, 2 zucchini, some sliced white mushrooms, a pack of 4 avocados, some cilantro, yellow corn tortilla rounds, and some fire roasted tomato salsa. Thought I'd try this for a quick lunch sometime. I haven't had mac and cheese in so long, and it's gluten-free, and I thought I'd give it a try. Heard great things about this. I've tried it and loved it, so recommend this for sure. These are so simple. If you haven't tried the organic jasmine rice, It's just a bag. You stick it in the microwave for 3 minutes. It's ready. It's amazing. I know my husband and daughter love these, and I got one of the brown rice ones for me. Chicken taquitos, very, very good. Some boneless and skinless chicken breasts, and another pack of them that are individually sealed. I can just grab one and thaw it out and, you know, do something with it for a salad or something. Some blueberries. Look how big these blueberries are. They're good size. Really big ones. I like them. They're usually sweet when they're like that. Love this stuff. It's the limeade. So good, sparkling limeade. And I got a bottle of this. I thought I'd give this one a try. I haven't tried this one before. So, looks good to me. And that is the Trader Joe's haul for now. Gotta put all this away. And clean all this up. I don't remember if I mentioned this. The Asian style spicy peanut vinaigrette. Thought this might be really good on like a spinach salad with, you know, like snow peas and things like that. So, gonna give that a try. Hi, baby. We're gonna show the bathroom now, okay? All right, this is what we have so far. The floor is in. It's installed. Yay, raw. So happy about that. We need to obviously replace the toilet. I'm gonna paint the walls, so don't really look at that. We've got the tile, and that's the linen closet. I'm looking for artwork for there on top of, you know, above the toilet. And then this is the tile we chose. We went with this one. It just sort of adds a nice color in here, even though it's gray. It kind of takes on a bit of a lightish blue, kind of a spa tone. And it looked really good with the marbly tile stuff too. So we did not go with the other tile that most people really liked, and I liked it too, because it didn't really go with this tile. When we put it up against it, because they're gonna butt up against one another, it was just so much more white than this. This is more of a creamy tile, and it made this look dirty, and that doesn't, you know, that's not what we want. We're putting a marble rim around here for, you know, we're gonna trim that out. If it's a trim, but that's the tile we decided on. We got the rain shower thing in, and all that, and the tub. So that's all in. It's getting there. We're getting closer and closer. So the one girl's vanity, that's one girl's room. The vanity will go here. We're moving the lights up. I'm gonna change the whatever those white things are, I'm gonna change those out, move those up, and then put a mirror all the way to the vanity. And then the other girl's room comes in this way, and that's where her vanity is. Same thing. Moving the lights up and changing those things. So there's a lot more space up there. So that, again, forget the wall color, we're changing that. That is what is going on right here. We're getting places. It's happening. Found some rugs, and I'll show you those. Still deciding what to do with those. And yes, it still looks like this. It's terrible. It's absolutely terrible. What a mess. Goes down into the kitchen. Yeah, this is what I'm living with. There's a toilet. These are the back stairs. So yeah. Pretty crazy. I'll be very happy when this is completely done. Best thing though is I can just close off these doors and not worry about it. That goes down into the family room. Okay, now this is what we have to deal with in different lights. Okay, this kind of shows you each one of these is, okay, one of the tiles has a shiny glassy look to it, and then the other is like a matte, more of a type of a look to it. So then when they're together, you've got some shine and some matte. It's hard to tell when they're up there on the wall, but that is the case. And they tend to look blue in this light, which is interesting because they really are a gray. But we do know that they do tend to kind of pull a bit of a blue, but I love that color. So very relaxing, very kind of zen and spa-like. So I think it works really well for bathroom. Now, I'm trying to figure out the wall. Here is the floor tile. The marbling has some gray in it, and then it even lends towards some almost brownish tones, which I think makes it look good with this. But this definitely looks more like it goes with those. And And that's just sort of a neutral in between, kind of a lightish gray color. We don't want the walls to be too dark because there is not one single window in there, being an interior Jack and Jill bathroom. So yeah, I think I've narrowed it down to these 3, and we'll just see what I can come up with. I don't even know. I found this rug and it does not go there well at all, but I do like having it for a different space. So there's that one I found. Then I found this one. I think it looks really good with it, but not sure what to do in front of the vanities. And then my lovely dear friend Maya found this one for me, which is beautiful. It's got a chenille kind of a feel to it for in front of the tub. Love it, but again, I still kind of need to find something that would then work in front of the vanities, so we're not sure. And then I also found this one that I really liked. And all of them tend to really kind of, they work, but I don't know what to go with. So yeah, that's where I am now. So that's really it. That's what's happening around here. Oh yes, I showed Gracie. Many of you already know if you follow me on Instagram or saw my, I had a, what was it? An Instagram live that I told everybody. Gracie's back here with us for a while and we're so excited about it. So she's here, but it's all good. Just some more changes going on, all excited. So yeah, Gracie's with me for now and really happy about it. So I will be getting more Gracie footage. Oh, she just walked in. And there she goes. Oh, do you have your flower? So I will definitely be showing Gracie footage more now since I have her, and I'll get some stuff together for that. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I always appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye.